Okay guys, I just wanted to record this video of the price action for today because I know it was quite confusing for some people. So let's just kind of go over it. So monthly, not much has changed. Monthly close of this week, so we want to look for a close below here if we want to continue being bearish. If we close above, that may signal kind of change to bullishness. So, and that closes on Thursday, so you got to be careful because it closes before the weekly, so you can see some confusion. So for weekly, there was also confusion here. So, we had this drop decision, this broke this rally decision. So we had a breakout, right? So breakout, come back to retest. For last week, we came back and retested and rejected. So based on that, we could go lower. It could be kind of a, last push up before going down. So we will see. The thing that was confusing is that we closed above this rally decision. No, this drop decision, and then we created a new rally decision, right? So that's got some people confused. But even then, if you're bearish, you can still anticipate a bullish move up. And we did talk about, when prices between two levels, there's multiple ways you can view it. There's portions. There's looking at stuff that's first left versus far left. There's looking at the most important levels, which is, the level that the source level and the level that got broken, so that helps me with this, using this level as kind of the main level. Okay, so for me, weekly is bearish market flow, but we control on the daily. So daily for me was bullish. So what happened on daily was we had this rally decision, broke this drop decision. After we broke it, that's a breakout, and we retested the level that got broken. It was Friday, we got a pretty deep retest. So to me, that is bullish. There is confusion again, mainly I think from people in Robbie's Discord mentioning like this level here. This is a far left level, so that's number one. It's a far left level. So this it's trumped by this level, this rejection down here. Second, you use the color of the candle. So this is a down candle, right? So a down candle, you look at rejections on the downside. An up candle, you look for rejections on the upside. So what we did was rejected that level up here. And after that, on Thursday, and then we came down and rejected down here. The main level I was looking at is this level. So from there, you can predict the next candle as being bullish. So that was my prediction. So I would have been looking for a last push down here to go up. I don't think we quite reached here, but bullish on daily. And of course, if not sure, you can also wait and see what how H4 plays out. For me, H4 was also bullish. And why is it H4 bullish? Well, it was really confusing during London session during the bank holiday. But, we were dropping. We had drop decision, breaking, rally decision, right? So we kept going lower. But here was the last drop decision. And then it got broken by this rally decision. So I know this is very compressed, but so for me, I wasn't confident. I did enter along around here, but I didn't hold it because I wasn't super confident in it. I mean, I did hold it. I took profits early, partials early, and I took a smaller position. But here you don't really see where price is reacting from. It was a bit clear on H1 and also clear on the London chart. But, and I tell you that I don't use a lot of SNR, but, there is a head and shoulders here. And I see all these rejections here. When I see all these rejections, they must have rejected something, and it probably is something a little further left because there's nothing here, or it might have been on the daily or the H1, so one time from higher or one time from lower. But if you look at the Awanda chart, it's much clearer for me. When in doubt, I use both. So you have this drop decision and this rally decision. This rally decision broke this drop decision, right? So that makes that a valid decision. We came to retest, rejected, and that could have been your long entry. For me, I woke up a little bit late, had a little bit trouble sleeping, but 9:30 Eastern was around when I woke up. And if you go to H1, actually, it's super clear. So H1, we are bearish, but at this point, we created a drop decision. Here, another drop decision. So this drop decision got broken by this rally decision. Okay, and then we retested it, and then broke out. When we broke out, we broke this drop decision, and we couldn't go any further here, which tells us breakout. We got to go retest something. We got to pull back. So for me, there was a very clean H1 trend line, right here. That was a great entry, but I also missed that. So I related to real time. When I woke up, I saw this rejection here. This is rejection of H4 level and a further left M30 level. So, but it was when I woke up, I saw this trend line, I saw this M30 rejection, and I entered somewhere a little late, somewhere between these two levels. I think it was closer to this level, so it was around 1914.4. And because of the confusion and the British holiday, I took profits a little bit early, and I think I took it somewhere around here, around 20 pips or so, and left the rest. Let the rest run, and ended up going 100 pips. Anyway, so H1 bullish, H4 bullish, daily bullish, and that was kind of the premise behind the trade. All right. If you have any questions, you can always ping me. And hope this was helpful. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.